What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. Today we are going to go ahead and announce the winner of our MAVIC Air 2 giveaway. So for those that have seen the video, we have had an ongoing contest now for a couple months where we're actually giving away a MAVIC Air 2 to one lucky person. So we were doing this to help celebrate once we reached 10,000 subscribers, which we did that a couple weeks. We gave a little extra time, and now, and right into the beginning of the new year, here we go with a brand new giveaway. Here is the video. Comments went down in here. We had almost 300 comments below, so over 300 people entered. So what we've done here is we're going into a YouTube comment picker to be able to select who won. So we're going to head and filtering out the duplicate users, and we're going to go and grab all the comments now, and then it goes and grabs all those comments in that link, and you can see there's 288 unique comments. So now we're going to go down in here and pick the winner, and it's going to go ahead and randomly select one person. All right, there we go. So it goes to Lol Rasa. Hope I'm pronouncing that correct. Congratulations. So you'll have 1 week from the time that this video posts to be able to claim your prize. Go ahead and contact us down in the link below, and we'll go ahead and save this for you. So if we don't hear from this lucky winner within a week, I'm going to go ahead and off camera pick up another winner as a backup, and we'll go with that as the backup winner if needed. So I want to thank everybody for participating in the contest, and I wish everybody a very healthy 2022. We're off to a great start. So thank everybody again for helping us grow the channel. We're going to give you more content in 2022, I promise, and we're going to continue doing what we do. So thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.